Alright, so welcome back to Pinoy Screencast. So in this video, I'll be showing you kung paano nga ba mag-create ng multi-part na zip file. So here on my example, I have a part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and so on. So this file is more than 6 gig, I think. So let's go to properties. So here you will see na naging 4.5 gigabyte na siya. But yung raw file niya is, ang pinaka-size is 6.59 na gigabyte. So medyo malaki. Kaya ako ginawa ganito kasi I want to transfer it on a DVD disk. Kasi the client wants to have on a DVD drive or a DVD disk. Ang problem lang is the DVD disk is only capable of having a 4.5 gigabyte of file, diba? Unless kung gusto nating pagkasyahin siya, we need to buy a dual layer na disk. But of course, hindi ganun kadami ang merong dual layer na disk or nakakabasa ng dual layer na disk. So some of the computer on some companies, 'di ba, hindi naman capable of reading dual layer na disk, 'di ba? So I needed to zip it para pwede ko siya ma-separate on two disks. So for example, this one 1 to 4 dahil aabot lang to ng 2 GB, pwede ko rin siyang i-burn in one disk. And then yung kasunod na 5, 6 and 7 is 1 gig. So pwede ko siyang ilagay sa disk 2. So when they copy this on the local hard drive nila, they just have to put all the 7 part and then extract it para makita nila yung pinakabuo na ganitong structure, di ba? To do this, you need an application na makakapag-create ng multi-part na zip file. So this is free, which is the 7-zip, but in this one, yung .rar, this is the one that is paid, which is the WinRAR. So medyo mura lang naman siya, but of course, here I'll be showing you yung free version that is also capable of doing this kind of stuff, which is here. You can go to 7-zip.org and download the file that is compatible on your system, which is, for me, I am a 64-bit user, I need to download this one. So I have already installed it. And so ang gagawin natin is we will select these files and then right click and the 7-zip, makikita nyo dito na meron siyang tab, and add to archive. And now here you can rename kung anong file yung gusto nyo. So there. Now archive format is you can choose from the 7Z, tar, wim, and zip. So next is compression level. Now you can choose from store to ultra, diba? So this is the lowest and this is the highest compression. Of course, we want it to be on the highest compression, which is ultra. And now just this one, another compression method din to. So iba-iba rin yan. So you can choose the default. That's okay. But you can search for the other meaning itong iba pa dito. So iba-ibang structure lang naman yun na compression. So dictionary size 32 KB. So word size is 128. And now here, kung gusto nyo taasan yung CPU threads nyo, for example, here I am on a Core i3 na desktop. So I have a 4 core na CPU. So I need to choose that. So para mas mabilis yung pag-compress niya. So if you're running on a i5 or i7, mas mataas pa yon. So may 8 core kayo or 16 core pa dyan, kung ano man. Now here, on the split to volume bytes, this is the most important. So now, here you can create your custom size, which is, for example, gusto nyo tagte 10 megabytes lang kada part 1, part 2, part 3. So meron din silang pre-build na sizes like 10 MB, 640, 700, and so on. So we can choose from CD, diba? So from CD, 700 MB, ang gagawin niya, tag sa 700. Like this one, ang ginawa niya is ganon, 700 MB ang kada isang file. So dahil this is a 6 GB of file, so malaki, pwede yun. Unless, kung for example, maliit na naman yung file nyo, like 300 MB, pwede yung piliin yung 10 MB or like 15 MB kung gusto nyo i-customize. So you can just type the word there. So this is by bytes, di ba? So you need to convert yung bytes into megabytes, di ba? So you just Google it by converting it. So madali lang naman yun. And now, I'll just choose the 700 MB, the CD, and you can choose a password here. And as a default, so compress shared files. Actually, I'll not be using that. And there. So yun na naman kailangan yung gawin, and then you just press OK, and you will see that it will convert the file. So it is loading now. So this may take a while dahil nga more than 5 gig siya. So but as you will see, meron siyang kine-create na. This one. So zip 01. So now what you're going to do is once na natapos yun, like this one, you just need to copy this on the disk that you will going to burn and just put it there and just burn it as a data file. And next is yung 5 and up to 7 is ganun din sa disk 2, diba? So that's the quick tip on how to separate your files into a multi-part layer na zip or RAR or 7Z na file format. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment, or again, don't forget to like my video or subscribe on my channel. So this is Arnovino, and see you on my next screencast.